All right, here we go. Let's do another video. October 14th. It's 8 o'clock. Right on the news. Tuesday. All right, ALK. I've been talking about this one for a while. Yeah, this puts in big moves. Alaska Air Group. You can see, look at this back in 2023. Look at this move short, even that move long. Got choppy here, and then this big move in August 2024. Yeah, this went from 32 to 78-ish about. Then another drop with Trump tariffs. Then it chopped around, had a nice run here, back and forth. Very choppy, made a run up. So you have this high line now crossing up. You can see points 1, 2, 3, low line 1, 2, 3 connection, pretty good. Now you have this line coming down. I put this as a line because it bounced, didn't get up to there, so it stopped here. And the low line comes from August. Now you have interesting move here. Big wash down. You had a false signal right here on the algo. Actually make this orange. Actually red because it didn't work. Usually green is, I put it in algo if it works. Red if it doesn't work. Sometimes orange, sort of in between. Like if this went up a little bit, technically it went up from here, but you're not going to hold here because it didn't move right away. You have the low here, 4708. Now, what do you see here? See this low? You move up, come down, move up again. Right here, this divergence. That's divergence where it's not going back down. This is moving up, even though it hasn't moved yet. That's a good sign. Weekly chart. I like this to get to 45, but I'm not sure if it's going to do that. Depends on the market. Futures are up kind of barely, but yeah, we're going to get another tweet tomorrow. Just going to push it down. So it really depends. This week can be very choppy. Now, overall, I know this is going back up because look where we're at. Look in this weekly chart. Look at these lows, low to high, how this plays. Low to high, this low to high, this low to high. Look at this. April, May, June went all the way up, even though it struggled. It finally went up big time. You're at 594. This is straight down. It's all red over white. It's turning out. See this right here? Could it go lower? Yes. Could even go lower. You need that crossover. Could that happen this week? It's possible. Monthly chart, crossover negative. 4 hour, here's more divergence for you. Low, moved up. There's the candle. Shadow candle didn't hold. You move back down. Here's the low, got higher. 49.89. So we'll see if that moves up. 2 hour getting overbought. 1 hour is curling up, going even higher. 10 minutes today, you can see 47.50. Nice move up to 49.50. This is up 3.3%. Now, how I see this, where it's going, can it go to 60-ish, 62? It'll probably be lower than this line the way it's going, unless we have a big breakout. That's what I'm looking for. Now, shorter term, in the middle, I would like to see this 55, 56, right in the middle here, maybe even 57. That will be my target. And it's just a matter of what are we doing here? Going up, back down. This is going to break through this 52. How long is it going to take here? Let's talk about a month. Now, if the market, sort of fades here, still got a lot of October to go. That is the key question because I think we're going to get at least after November, Christmas rally. Usually that's what it's called, Wall Street. They all want their money. They want big bonuses. That's why it's always pushed. Now, it doesn't always work that way, but I would check back on the records. Most of the time, it probably does. You're going to go up a lot of the times over the years. So we'll see what happens with this. This is some good candles here. My algo picked up a buy today, 10-14, 48.54, suggesting 7% upside from there. Your stop is right here, about 47.20. What's this candle? 47.14. Any news today? October 13th. ALK beat stock market, upswing. I don't see any news. Latest news. All right, so nothing on there. So I've updated this a few times. So you can see it's not easy coming out of these swings. You go low, you go back up, you go back down. Like, what are we doing here? But overall, it's all fake outs to me because look how oversold. I'm playing this low to high weekly. Now you can play different moves. You want to play the daily, the 4 hour, whatever you're playing. But this will be a longer term move here. And fits right into that 55.60. And I'd like to see it go to about 55, 57-ish, right in this zone on ALK. So we'll watch this, and that's why when you're buying up here, that's not good. That's when you're overbought. You buy down here when you're oversold, and the upside's up here. There's way more upside buying low. Look at stochastics, how oversold. You're at a 0.94. 0 to 10 is extreme. 10 to 20, it's very oversold. That's as low as you can get. So the next move is try to get over this 49 or 50 and then 52 on ALK. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Game and Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. Peace.